Okay, just to recap where we left off, we were bypassed, so I was filling to get to an overflow condition. Again, in the factory, someone may accidentally leave this open. That would get you to this overflow. Maybe the solenoid's failing and it's leaking past. That would get you to an overflow. Anyway, this is a high alarm state, and in that state, this top main solenoid turns off. So even if this one were failing and this was left open, no more water can get past that. But now we do have an overflow condition. So in order to clear that, it's a fault, we have to get rid of some of the water, either through, if you have a drain system hooked up, tote it out like some people do, or if you have a floor drain nearby, open, the front door. Release some water till you get to a green or yellow running state, and you're ready to go again.
Over here in front of me.